Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
एके वटेन बीजेपीन 22व्या गोवा राज्य युवा महोत्सवाचे उक्तावण केले जाल्यार दुसरे वटेन काँग्रेस टॅलंट हंट घेवन आयला. राज्य युवा महोत्सवांतल्या जैतिवंतांक दिल्लीत जावपी राष्ट्रीय पांवड्यावेल्या महोत्सवांत वांटेकार जावंक मेळटलें जाल्यार काँग्रेस टॅलंट पळोवन डायरेक्ट पक्षा भितर वेगवेगळ्या पदांचेर नियुक्त करतले.
Timeline 1st to the 9th, the online applications will be open. 10th and 11th they'll be screening. 16th is when we will call the selected applicants for a group discussion and mock trials and mock interviews, personal interviews. And our effort is not just to find national spokespersons from Goa, but also state spokespersons, media coordinators, media panelists, researchers, and people who really want to become the voice of the Congress party. The idea is that the voice of the Congress cannot be restricted to 15-20 of us. The Congress party cannot be represented by those who live in Delhi. The Congress needs to be represented by those who live in Goa, by those who live in Kerala, by those who live in Assam, by those who live in Kashmir, because that is what the Congress truly represents.
BJP म्हणटा ती डिक्टेटोरियल पार्टी. थंय वचून कितें उलोवपाचें हातीन प्रिंट आउट येता. कित्याक हे 8 गद्दार काँग्रेस पक्षाचेर जेन्ना निवडून आयले आनी जेन्ना ते बीजेपीन गेले वायट इतलेंच दिसता की थंय वतकीच तांकां एक प्रिंटेड पेपर दिलो हातीन आनी ते बसून वाचून तांणी काँग्रेसीक क्रिटिसायज केलें. हें जायना. काँग्रेस पक्षान हें जायना. काँग्रेस पक्ष हो एक डेमोक्रेटीक पक्ष. हांगा प्रत्येक मनशाचो आवाज वॉयस आमी आयकून घेता. सो आय थिंक दीस इज अ प्लॅटफॉर्म where people like you also can represent Goa at national level.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश रावत.